How to find and use CapCut templates. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want to find different type of templates in CapCut, then you have come to the right place. First and foremost, you have to update your CapCut application and then tap open it. Next up, you will see a template option right next to edit. Now here is how you can find the templates. There are different options and categories. Select the category that you want to search from. Let's say I want to search from lyrics. Tapping on it should give me now all those templates that have lyrics on it. To use any of such, you have to tap on the template and tap on use template. And it's easy as that. Likewise, there are other options to find the CapCut videos as well. The best could be the search functionality. For this, in the search template button, you need to type in what you want to search. Let's see, I want to type in birds. Now that I type in birds on the search section, it will give me templates related to birds. Now I can just search using the number of clips, durations, the type of the video, aspect ratio, as well as the style. And after that, I'll just use template in order to use it. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.